be here be also to be options to be available now, like be actually add the video, because you will be watching now, then you will be receiving many of coins, because sometimes people now to be telling to you how to be complete to be these games, and I will be completely guide to you. Okay guys, you will be watching like the errors these options, because this is the more so shit. Tap to play against this game. So guys, you will be never skipping this RD options, because many of people ignoring this RD options, so I will be clicking on these sections. Okay, let's just to be ready, and maybe later like the show options actually add the video. So interesting game. Okay guys, you will be like be watching one of the ads. So you will be checking on like the I will be 2600 like the earnings coins, and I will be purchasing to be this also to be more box. You will be checking now. So guys, this is the more everything easily now step by step when you will be playing this game, and you will be purchasing box. So that's mean like you will be earns more coin, and actually watch the video, then you will be purchasing your that meters. Oh, shares, that's okay, no problem. Okay. So I will be watching this air the video. So you will be checking now, I will be purchasing depths. So all to be easily know, and just I will be guide to you all about this game. Okay. So guys, this time you will be purchasing game that meters. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for you supporting me and watching my video, and love you guys. So you will be also to be purchasing debts. So thank you so much for you watching my video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.